Binomba po itong St. Peter's Cathedral in Davao City for 7 times. Naalala niyo po ba ito? And according to Arturo Las Cañas,
I would like to find out, excuse me, if Attorney Guerra is coaching the question. Attorney Guerra, please refrain from coaching. The President is able to answer all these questions being asked. He is inviting me. And you are only limited to advising the legal right with his rights. Nothing more than
Father, dapat ang ginamit
you,
mo dyan.
you follow the rule, Attorney Guerra. Please proceed. It is that he does not have to coach me. I know how to answer.
Mr. Chair, 1993, binomba po ang St. Peter's Cathedral, Davao City.
Father,
for 7
dapat ang
times.
ginagamit mo dyan.
Grabe yung